Hi, my name is Michael and I'm the CEO of Sense7. Today I would like to demonstrate our mobile inspection system, ValveSense, that can help you to identify leaking valves. So our solution is based on the acoustic emission technology. So we have the sensor, the analog digital converter and a smartphone. On the smartphone we have developed a software that guides you through the inspection and analyzes the acoustic emission signal for you. So let me show you how it works in practice. We are here in a power plant, so we have hot water here in the pipes, and this valve is closed, but it's leaking. So if we want to detect whether this valve is leaking or not, we have to capture turbulent flows that create acoustic signals. Those turbulent flows will be the strongest here on the valve body, and we're going to compare them to the flow before and after the valve. So first, I put the sensor here before the valve body. I collect the signal. Then I move the sensor here on the valve body, where I believe the leak will be the strongest. And then I move it up after the valve, collect my third measurement point, and then let me show you how the signal looks like. Okay, so let's take a look at the result. Here you can see the three measurement points: before the valve, after the valve and on the valve body. And we can clearly see that the measurement point on the valve body is a lot stronger than any other measurement point. And this is because the leak on the valve body creates turbulent flows, and they create strong acoustic signals that are picked up by our technology. So our software then analyzed the signal, calculated that this valve is leaking. So now we can add some additional inspection details like the valve type or the pressure. We can also take a photo of the valve. Save it, attach it to the report, and then we can move on and inspect the next valve.